Today I share with you all this beautiful, delicious boiled egg in tomato sauce. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. To start, I'm going to start by boiling my egg. I just add my egg into the pan, fill it up with some water, add some salt to it, cover the egg and allow to boil until it's perfectly done. While the egg is boiling, we are going to be preparing the sauce. I just added a good reasonable amount of oil into the pan and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I go in with some chicken. Chicken is optional in this recipe. The reason why I'm making use of chicken is because I have this little chicken left over and I don't want it to go waste. That is why I make use of it. But feel free to make this particular sauce without chicken, alright? Once I add the chicken, I just added a little bit of black pepper just to season the chicken. I cover the pan and allow the chicken to fry. Once it's fried a little bit, I came back to stir it to the other side so the other side can fry as well. The chicken has fried to my liking. I'll go in with some chopped onion and I'm going to go in with some garlic as well. If you don't like to cook with garlic, just skip it. But garlic make your food delicious. If you don't want, skip it. Once I add the onion and the garlic, I'm going to stir fry it till the onion and the garlic release the flavor into the chicken and the oil. And you guys, this is smelling so good already. Trust me, this sauce, you need to go and give it a try. I'm going to be adding my seasoning into the oil just to add more flavor into the sauce as well. I'm making use of curry and thyme, salt and seasoning cube. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice. Once I add my seasoning, I give it a quick stir for another 5 seconds. Nothing more than that because we don't want the seasoning to burn, alright? And I go in with my chopped tomato. For this recipe, do not blend your tomato, alright? And I'm making use of large 6 tomato, but it totally depends on you. There is no measurement, just make it according to your family, alright? And I go in with my favorite chili pepper. This is that chili pepper which I soak in the water and then use the small blender to blend it. But feel free to add any hot spices of your choice. And I add some chicken stock as well for more flavor. I give everything a quick stir really well. I'm going to cover the pot and allow the sauce to cook. The sauce is cooking really nicely. I just come back, stir everything together, taste for seasoning, everything is perfect. I add in the boiled egg and I'm going to stir everything together until they are well combined. I'm going to cover the pan back and continue to fry the sauce. While it's frying, I am stirring on it so it doesn't burn. Few minutes later, I came back to check on the sauce. Everything is cooking nicely. It's looking so beautiful and it smells so good, guys. I stir it together once again. I tested for seasoning for the last time and everything is perfect. Once I'm sure that the seasoning is okay, I just go in with the green pepper. This green pepper changed the game of this stew. First, it make it look so beautiful, it make it look so expensive, and it has a whole lot of flavor into the stew. If you are trying this recipe, please make use of the green pepper. Trust me guys, it make a whole lot of sense in this stew. Once I add the green pepper, I stir everything together once again. I just allow the green pepper to release the flavor into the stew for about a minute or so. And that is it guys. Give it a final good stir and it is ready. You guys, go and give it a try. Just take a moment to appreciate the color of the stew. You guys, the sauce looks so beautiful guys and it tasted absolutely amazing. And this is a quick sauce that you can pair with your white rice, with your spaghetti. Trust me guys. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.